Herbal Seitai Massage is a holistic Japanese bodywork therapy that blends traditional Seitai techniques with the healing power of natural herbs. This massage focuses on correcting body alignment, releasing deep muscular tension, and restoring the body's natural balance. Warm herbal compresses are gently applied to key energy points and tight areas, allowing the herbs to penetrate the muscles, improve circulation, and ease stiffness. The rhythmic pressure and mindful movements help calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and promote deep relaxation. Herbal Seitai is especially beneficial for people experiencing chronic pain, fatigue, poor posture, or reduced flexibility due to modern lifestyles. The soothing aroma of herbs enhances mental clarity and emotional well-being, creating a sense of grounded calm. Suitable for all ages, this therapy supports natural healing by activating the body's self-regulating ability. After a session, clients often feel lighter, more aligned, and revitalized with improved mobility and lasting comfort throughout the body.